I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Hey guys, it's your dear Angel back at it with another vlog, and today in this vlog we are at Florianopolis, Brazil. Enjoy the vlog, you guys. Alright guys, it's so beautiful out here. So far we've made it to the bottom of the height. It's gonna be just a couple steps all the way up somewhere there. Also, the weather here is really nice. It's not hot, it's not too cold, and it's just the winds here are so rough right now. It's really like a good surfing weather. Look at all the steps. There you go. 1 million stepped. 1 million one step. We've got a lot more to hike. It's up there. I know it kind of doesn't really show it much in the camera, but I feel so out of shape. Officially going up. Oh, here, look, there's like a little sign here in Portuguese. 1,200 meters.
We're good. You can go hike now.
Carl got a bunch of ants bit him. I think he stepped on like the ow. So like a bunch of ants, black ants just bit us. Oh, it hurts bad. Itchy too. You guys hear the nature? That's the nature. What kind of accent was that? Hike isn't as bad because there's a lot of shade.
Ay, may video pala yun.
We are on our break, water break. If you run out of water, it's okay because there's water here. See? It's dirty water. The sound of nature is beautiful. Listen to that, guys.
Natural na tubig yan, hindi yan sa phone. Yung sound sa phone.
Oh, shoot. Oh, I hit my head.
Sakit?
No, it's okay. Drama for the vlog. That's alright. I'm good. I got my hat.
Ang laki nun, hindi mo nakita.
Ouch, yeah. Ouch. Yeah, I'm okay. Made it to the first station. Good job.
Yeah.
Whew, my favorite superhero, Wonder Woman. Almost there. We said like almost there like 20 minutes ago.
We're halfway.
Halfway there. Oops, we made it.
Near the water.
Pahinga muna tayo. Kaso walang bunga eh.
Yung cactus.
We've made it, guys. Drone time in 3, 2, and 1. So we just was at the other part of the mountain where we could see the sand surfing, and now we're just making our way to the other side of the mountain so that we can see the beach portion. made it up here to the top and it's so beautiful. Video doesn't do justice. You guys gotta go out here and see it for yourself. So many like little islands here that you could see. There's one over there, one over there, one back over there somewhere. Video just can't capture everything, but it's beautiful.
Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying.
Stay, stay, stay.
Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have you staying.
Stay, 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 stay.
Pick up the mess that you left shattered on the floor.
We are done with our hike, so safe flight, safe drone, good hike, good vlog. We're gonna miss this view, great view. Overall, good hike. We're gonna just speed through the downhill portion, so we'll be back.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life.
I feel like I have like blisters on my foot, but it was such a fun hike. Definitely gonna try and do this again next time when I feel more fit. But I think we were pretty fit enough to hike that, so that was a lot of fun. Going down was like about 30 minutes, so it's not bad.